Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a swimming navigations in Whalefall Canyon in Heartopia much easier. So when you are exploring the new Whalefall Canyon map, your character automatically switches to swimming mode like this. And by default, you move up and down using the arrows controls on here. But honestly, it can feel a bit awkward and makes the navigations less comfortable like this. You must tap this button when you move up or down like this. It's a little bit awkward, but here's a simple trick to make the swimming navigation much easier. First, just open settings like this, and then just go to gameplay, this one, and then scroll down until you find the undersea settings, this one. And then in here you will find an options that still written in Chinese like this. So I'm not sure what it says either, but don't worry, you only need to tap the right arrow once to change the settings. Just tap once on it like this, and that's it. Now just go back to the game, and then in here you will notice your character will much easier like this. You don't need to tap the up or down button like this. You can just move it more easier, just like this. You can see it, and just like that, your movement will feel smoother, more natural, and when you're exploring Whalefall Canyon, becomes a lot more comfortable, like this. You can see it, and okay, just try it yourself. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.